Hi, this is Carol from Inspiredby, and today I'm participating in Christina's from the DIY Mommy Spring DIY and Decor Challenge. Pretty simple. All we have to do is create a new video that's spring themed DIY or decor project. So I'm going to show you how I glam up these Easter bunnies that I picked up from the Dollarama. I'd like to thank Christina from the DIY Mommy for hosting her Spring DIY and Decor Challenge. Now, there is a playlist that you will be able to see all the other participants, and I would encourage you to watch their videos. I will try to link the playlist in my description box, but if I'm unable to do so, you will be able to find the playlist on Christina's channel. This is Carol from Inspiredby, and thanks so much, and have yourself a great day.